Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I'm going to show you about Cloudways hosting services. So let's begin. Now before starting, first I'd like to tell you what are the things that I'm going to cover in this video. So first I'm going to give you an overview of Cloudways hosting services, and then I'll be showing you what are the plans that will be best suited for you. So I'll be thoroughly discussing which plan you should be choosing, right? And then I'll also give you a coupon code. Obviously the link will be in the description, and what it will benefit you is if you buy using that code, it will going to give you about 20% discount for your 2 months, right? And that is exclusively for my audience only, so the code will be unique to you only, right? And also Cloudways now giving about 40% off for 4 months on their BFCM 2021 campaign. So here, this is the official site. So here, if we just simply scroll down a bit, and you'll be getting this BFCM campaign. So here you can see that 40% is off for 4 months. So all you need to do is you need to use this promo code called BFCM 2021, and as you can see that this offer is available for 4 days. So basically till 1st of December you'll be getting this offer. So by the time if you buy their product, then you'll be getting 40% off for 4 months, right? And after all this, I'll be also giving you a complete hands-on demonstration on how to use Cloudways. So that time I'll be giving you training on how to add a domain, how to host your WordPress site, and then also I'll be showing you how to make it live, right? So stay tuned, watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to know each and every steps properly, right? And I would also like to tell you that if you really like this video, then please give it a like and also do subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to share with your friends so that all can be benefited, right? So without any further ado, let's dive into our video. Okay, so first of all, what is Cloudways hosting? Now Cloudways basically provides a managed hosting services in cloud. Unlike other hosting services like shared hosting and all, Cloudways is completely different. It can handle much more traffic than any other shared hosting services. So here what you basically get is 5 hosting providers, so within which they have set up their platform. So like DigitalOcean, Linode, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, Vultr are like some cloud hosting providers. So what they did is they made all these platforms as their hosting services, and on top of these hosting platforms they made a very easy to use and user friendly interface, which will basically give you a lot of advantages, especially for the non-technical persons, right? So now if you opt for Cloudways hosting, then only that you need to focus on your business only. You don't need to think about any technicalities about your website, right? So talking about the advantages of Cloudways hosting, first we have is you can choose your own hosting providers. So in my previous slide, as I have shown you that you have DigitalOcean, Linode, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud and Vultr. So all these are basically cloud hosting providers. So you can choose as per your requirement, right? So you have total freedom on that. And the next big thing is you don't need to maintain our servers. Basically, you don't need to think about any technicalities, right? So you don't need to think about your server, you don't need to think about your security, upgradation, how the installation you need to be done, or how to back it up. So you don't need to think about anything. And another important aspect is they have excellent live support. I have personally used their live supports, so it was really great, I would say. And lastly, it will going to save you a lot of your time, right? So that's the major advantage of using Cloudways hosting. Now I'm going to show you the best plan that you should be opting for. Now this is the official site of Cloudways, and here if you just simply click on pricing, you can see that they are having this 40% off for 4 months. So I have already told you about this, that they are currently having this BFCM 2021 campaign. So if you wish to buy any of their product, it will going to give you 40% off for the coming 4 months, right? And you can see that you have 24/7 support. You need to just pay as you go, so you have that flexibility. Migration is completely free SSL certificate, no lock-in, and unlimited applications, right? And if you just simply scroll down, you can see, as I have just mentioned, that DigitalOcean, Linode, Vultr, AWS and Google Cloud are all 5 hosting platforms that they have tied up. So what I am going to recommend you is about DigitalOcean. You can see that price of DigitalOcean is much cheaper than any other platform. These are the premium ones, and if you switch to standard one, then these are the standard ones, right? And these are what you need to pay as a monthly, right? You can also opt for hourly also. That's the flexibility that they have, right? So the hosting provider that I'm going to recommend you is DigitalOcean. If you are a new one, it is very cheap, and later you can always upgrade your plan, but you can start with this 12 per month dollar, right? And another thing is, let's say you want to do some trial before opting for any plan, so that also you can do. Cloudways will going to provide you a complete 3 days as a trial. So on that 3 days you can use the Complete Cloudways, and then you can decide that which plan you should be opting, right? And you can also use our unique coupon code called Geeky. I'll be also putting the link in the description. You can also use that code Geeky to get 20% off for coming 2 months, right? And now I'm going to live demonstrate you about how to use Cloudways, then how to add domain, how to host your WordPress site, and how to make it live. So I'm going to show you all of that. So stay tuned with this video. So first I'll start with login. So just simply click on login if you have already signed in, or if you are very new, then you need to just simply click on start free. And when you click on that, it will first check your browser before accessing platform, and after that it will show this page. Here you need to give your first name, last name, your email address, password, right? And then you need to give something about yourself, so you can give as a blogger or freelancer, or if you are doing some other businesses or e-commerce or any digital agency, so you just opt for that. And then here you can give that why you are opting for Cloudways. So let's say you want to improve your website performance, so you just choose that, or you can choose any other reasons also, right? And then just tell how much monthly hosting you are willing to spend, so you just choose from this, right? And then just if you have a promo code, just enter that promo code, then accept this license agreement, and then just simply click on start free, right? And after this they'll be sending a email verification link on your email, so you just simply verify your email, and then you'll be landed over this login page. So then you need to log in, so just simply sign with your login credentials. I'm going to sign with my Google account. And after successfully logging in into Cloudways, you'll be redirected to the server page. So you can see that you have rightly logged in. So currently I am logged in using my Geeky script account, so you should be logging in with your account, right? And then you'll be landed over this server page, and you can see that we have DigitalOcean, Linode, Vultr, AWS and Google platform as our hosting providers. So from here you can choose for DigitalOcean, which is much cheaper than other hosting providers. And here first make our screen a little bigger so that you can watch properly. And here you need to select your server size. So currently they have selected as a 2 GB, which will be good enough to start with. And location, you can opt for your nearest location. So if you are using it from India, then you must opt for Bangalore, and if you are from European countries, then you should opt for London, and so on, right, as per your nearest location. I am using it from India, so I'm going to choose Bangalore, right? And then you can see that hourly is just 3 cents and monthly it will be like $22, right? Now since I am in a trial period, so during the trial period they are not going to charge anything, so you can access Cloudways most of the features on these 3 trial days, and then you can opt for any plan. Right now I'm just simply going to opt for this 2 GB server size, and I'm going to set this as a Bangalore, the location, and then just simply click on launch now. And this will going to create our application. You can see that my application in Bangalore server is going to be created, and it will going to be created in approximately 7 minutes. So by the time they create this server, you can just watch this video. This video basically showed you how to migrate your WordPress website in Cloudways within just few clicks. So they basically showed you about a plugin that they have. So if you already have a WordPress website hosted in some shared hosting platform, you can easily migrate it in Cloudways by just few clicks using that plugin. So you can watch this video. So this is the plugin that I was talking about, this Cloudways WordPress Migrator. So it's very nicely designed. So you can use this tool to basically migrate your WordPress to Cloudways, right? And you can see that it will going to take 5 more minutes. So what I'll be doing is I'll be coming back after our server gets created. Yeah. So we'll come back, and now you can clearly see that our server has been created in Bangalore location, and it is created on 27 November 2021. And if you are using any trial service, then your trial will be starting from today only. So after 3 days, the server will going to be expire unless you upgrade your account, right? You can also add more server, but on trial period you are limited to launching only one server, right? If you upgrade your account, then you'll be able to use add more server, right? So now let's move on to the application, and you can see that our application is also created over here. So just simply click on that, and you can see this pop-up came, add unlimited website on one server with no limitation, right? So only this one server, you can add as many as website you want. So just simply click on next to get all tips and tricks that they're going to show you, right? So do read all this. I'm going to demonstrate you how to point your domain, and then we'll move on to WordPress, right? So first, see under application URL, they have already given your URL for your website. So if you just simply click on this icon, you can see that your WordPress website has been rightly opened over here. So they have already created this template, right? But this URL is not a desired one, right? You need to use your own unique domain. So for that, first you need to buy one domain. So you can use Namecheap or GoDaddy to buy any domain. It's very cheap also to buy. I have bought one domain from Hostinger, and I named it as your Cloudways deal.tech. So I just bought it recently, right? So here, if you just simply click on these DNS servers, you can see our name servers and all are properly set over here, and under manage DNS records. So all DNS are set properly except this final one. So this is our main, where you need to point to our Cloudways hosting that we are using. So here you need to change it. So what you need to do is you need to first simply go to your Cloudways account, and you'll be getting one public IP. See, a public IP is given. So you just simply click on this IP, and it will going to copy, right? So then you need to move on to your domain platform, and then you need to just simply click on edit, and here under points 2, just simply change it with your public IP that you are using on your Cloudways, and then just simply click on update, and you can see it is telling that your DNS record has been updated successfully. So you can see it has rightly pointed over here, right? So now your Cloudways deal.tech website will be available in a while. So you can check your DNS status on this website called dnschecker.org. So right, so you need to just simply navigate to this site, and then you need to just simply copy your domain, and if you just simply paste it over here, and then just simply click on search, you can see it has rightly started propagating to our new IP address. For most of the location, it has already propagated, but there are some places like Miami in United States is still not propagated yet. So you need to just simply give some time, like about 30 minutes. It will after 30 minutes it will going to propagate it in all places, right? So if you again simply click on search, you can see that in Miami it has propagated, but still in Netherlands it has not propagated yet, right? So it will going to propagate it in a while, all these places. And now let's back to our Cloudways, And now you need to just simply click on this domain management, and here under primary domain you need to paste your domain. So just simply copy your domain and paste it over here, your domain, and then just simply click on save changes, and it will going to update your primary domain. So this will take a couple of minutes to basically point your domain, and you can see that it is currently pointing to our domain, right? And it has successfully completed pointing. So now if we just simply go to your website, that our demo WordPress website has been rightly pointed to our domain, right? But there is one issue that you can see, that our site is not secure, right? So this HTTPS is what they have not recognized yet. So as I have told you earlier, that Cloudways provides you free SSL. So for that you need to just simply click on this SSL certificate, and here you need to just simply click on this drop down, and then you need to just simply select this let's encrypt, and then you need to provide your email address. So I'm going to provide my email address, which is geekyscript@gmail.com, right? And then you need to provide your domain name. So I'll just simply copy my domain name and then just simply paste it over here. Just remember, you need to only paste your domain name, not HTTPS and all those headers. Just simply paste your domain and then just simply click on install certificate, and it will going to install your SSL certificate, and after that you will be seeing that our site is completely secure. So give some time to install your SSL certificate, and you can see that our SSL certificate is properly activated, and it will remain activated till 25th of February 2022. You can always upgrade it later, right? And now if you just simply refresh your page, you can see that our site is properly secure, right? Connection is secure. So our SSL certificate has been rightly set. So in this way you can easily create any server, and then you can easily create application, and you can easily launch your site. So let's move on to our access details, and here you can see that they have given your admin panel. So this is basically the URL for our WordPress dashboard. So if you just simply click on that, this login interface for WordPress has been rightly opened. So they have also given the credentials. So just simply click on the username and just simply right click and paste your username, then copy the password, and then just simply paste it over here, and then just simply click on login to basically log in into our WordPress dashboard. And you can see that we have successfully logged in our WordPress. So from here, if you just simply click on appearance, then themes, you can see currently we have 3 themes. So if you just simply click on add new, it will going to show you a lot of theme. So you can see a lot of theme is there. So you can install any of the theme. Let's install Astra. Just simply install, and then just simply click on activate. So Astra has been rightly activated. So just simply click on this Astra theme, then just simply click on Astra options, and from here you need to just simply click on plugin, and it will going to start installing all starter templates that are given in Astra. And as a page builder, it is telling that which page builder you'd like to use. So I'll prefer Elementor. Just simply click on that. It's not selecting because we haven't installed Elementor. So first you need to go to your plugin, and here just simply click on add new, and then just simply search Elementor. You can see our Elementor website builder over here. So just simply install it, then make it activate. And now if we again go back to our appearance then theme, then under extra options, if we just simply click on this C library, you can see our Elementor as a page builder has been rightly set, and from here you can see that several templates they have given, right? So from here, let's say I choose the first one, and then just simply click on this import complete site, and you just set anything from here, right? And then just simply click on next. You can skip this, and you can see that it has rightly started importing our entire template. So what it will do is it will going to make your this love nature template as your default template. So you can see it has rightly imported. So now if we just simply refresh your domain, you can see that our site has been rightly imported over here. So you can see that within minutes our website has been rightly created. So you can customize it as per your wish. You can add your own logo, you can add your own navbar, you can add all your messages as per your choices, right? You can add your own services and all. So everything you can customize, right? So in this way you can easily use Cloudways hosting platform, and you can create your own server, then application. So if you just click on this application, you can add more application here as well. So if you just click on add application, you can select your server. So I am going to select this DigitalOcean server, and then just simply click on add application. So you can create as many application as you wish. So this time I would like to, let's say, do some PHP stuff. So I'll just simply click on custom PHP, and here I'll be naming it as my PHP, let's say, and your project name I'm going to keep this as a default. Then just simply click on add application, and it will going to create a new application for us. You can see it will going to add a new application within 2 minutes. So in this new application you can code in PHP. So if you are a PHP developer and you have a custom coded website, so that also you can deploy it over here, but that's for in some another video. I don't want to make this video too long. It's already been too long, I know, right? So that's basically all about this video, friends. I'll be recommending you to use this Cloudways. It's a very good hosting platform. It will going to make your website very fast and hassle free, right? You don't need to worry about that all technicalities, only you need to worry about your business, right? So that's what this Cloudways provide you. So again, I'm repeating, I have already posted my coupon code in the comment sections, so do use that coupon code to get discounts, right? So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give it a like, and so please do share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.